Hi everybody, this is to help you with CR number 8, question number 5. It says, after vigorous activity, your heart rate declines at a rate of 12 beats per minute. If your heart rate was 110 beats per minute, how much would your heart rate decline after an 8-minute period? Okay, there's 3 bits of information here, and I'm going to be honest with you. One of these bits of information, we don't really need to answer this question. First thing you really need to understand is this word declines. Is declines a positive or a negative? I'm hoping you're thinking in your head declines means a negative. So I'm just going to write that down here. The word decline means negative, and I'm just going to go ahead and write NEG period because that will help me to shorten this up. And it's declining at a rate of 12 beats per minute. So that means after 1 minute, your heart rate will decrease, which means a negative number, by 12 beats. And I'm just going to write BPM because beats per minute is how we abbreviate that. So after 1 minute, your beats per minute will decrease by 12, and that's what that negative 12 stands for. Then it continues to say if your heart rate was 110 beats per minute, how much would your heart rate decline after an 8-minute period? Well, all they're asking for is how much will your heart rate, and I'm going to switch my color here, how much will your heart rate decline? Okay, so they're looking for the amount that it's going to decrease. That has nothing to do with where it is at right now. It has nothing to do with this 110 beats per minute. So I'm going to cross this out because this information is extra information that we don't need to answer this question. Now, if you wanted to, you could go ahead and continue for 8 minutes, decreasing by 12. So in the second minute, it will decrease another 12. In the third minute, it'll decrease another 12. Okay, well, if I'm going to go ahead and keep decreasing over and over and over by 12 for 8 minutes, there is a faster way of handling this problem. And the faster way of handling this problem is by multiplication. If I take negative 12 and I just multiply that by the 8 minutes that I'm going to go ahead and decrease my heart rate by, I'm going to get a number. Now over here in the sum, I'll show you long multiplication. If you want to go ahead and do that on your calculator, there's no problem with that as well. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So guess what? A negative times a positive is a negative, and I know that it is decreasing, which means it has to be a negative number, by 96 beats per minute. And that would be my final answer. Please remember to eliminate any excess information. Thanks. Have a great day.